Good morning, parents. As promised, here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to get into Leveled Reader so we can start using it to do classwork assignments. So I am going to use a student's login. You are going to continue to use MH Education or McGraw-Hill Education. Your username and password is the same as it would be for ConnectED, and you're going to click Login. You are going to scroll down, and you are going to see an icon with a bookshelf that says Leveled Reader, and you're going to click Launch. So as you can see over here, it says to do. So over here would be the assignments that I assigned for your child. So it says the due date, which would be April 13th, and the title of your child's assignment would be Retelling Stories. So I'm going to click the menu and go to do. And there's a due, which is a 0. There's a due later because there's a later date for what I have assigned. And there's a homework history. So you're going to click on due later. You're going to click on retelling stories. And again, right here, it says in the corner that it's not due until this Monday coming up. So I wanted to give you all time so you could play around with Leveled Reader and be able to do the work. So after you click on due later, the assignment does come up. What I would like you all to do is read the story when you were little and answer these questions. There's a done and an upload button. So if you would like to upload something but use something like Word and then put it back onto Leveled Reader, you can do that as well. For some reason, when I hover over the story and click on it, nothing happens. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the menu. You're going to click on Resources. The title of that story was When I Was Little, so I'm going to go to keyword search. I'm going to type in When I Was Little. You're going to click the magnifying glass. You're going to hover over the story. You're going to click on the story. And in this window, the story will pop up. I do not know why when you click on it in the assignment, it does not pop up, but when you do it the way I just showed you, it comes right up. This is the cover of the book. And you can scroll up and down to read. The questions that I've created go with the story. And I just want to point out that at the end of most of these stories, there are assignments due. These assignments that are in the story may not necessarily be what I assign to the book. Sometimes they might be the same. Sometimes they might be different. I will leave this up to you as optional. If I assign a specific assignment, that is what I want you to do. But the questions or whatever the book is asking you to do at the end of the story, that's completely up to you to do. Again, it might be similar to what I asked, but this is optional. This is optional. You do not have to do this at the end. If you would like to, by all means. The only thing that I'm requiring is that you answer the questions that I set up in the original assignment. So I'm going to go back to the website. And these are different stories that are here. You can always, similar to Epic, you can pick books and read them just for leisure, but I am going to be using Leveled Reader to assign work. I won't be assigning too many books per week. I don't want to overwhelm you all. I'm trying to give you enough time to do it. I'm giving you till Monday to do this particular assignment because I want you all to get comfortable with Leveled Reader. If you have any trouble with it, please let me know and I will help you. Thank you very much and happy learning.